What's going on, guys?
Computer to get.
We're playing with these people. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Man, I'm lagging out hard. Ragnarok pickaxe with default with no skin. Okay, this is really hard. Okay. How are you supposed to play with this? Risque. Why don't we go somewhere else? Like no one's gonna go risky. Oh, there is? Looks like we're gonna have like a 2-minute game. Why do you just jump? You're so far away from risky, yet you jump. So what's the mission in Risky Wheels? No, that's Haunted Hills. Oh. Oh wow, that's weird. Yeah, I'm lagging out. Oh no. Lagging. You're gonna see what I mean when I say I'm lagging. I press. Well, I got almost 15 frames per second. Oh, you're. Oh, you literally went risky. I my game was lagging out just a little bit. So. Well, I was gonna go there, but then my game like lagged out, and then like everything was so. Why it's happening? I found a blue pump. Okay, there's 2 blue pumps. Wait, what? He like literally shot me through my wall. He must have. I would have. He literally has perfect ping. Like, if he's gonna hit those shots, he has to have perfect ping. I didn't. There's a blue pump up there. How are you playing with that? How are you playing like that? You're like lagging out. Well, on my screen you are. Pretty new. I don't know. Where did Bob go? No. A friend in real life? To Jacob? In real life. Not mine. I don't live in Oregon. Oregon. And now you live in Jupiter. Jupiter Street. Did you seriously just pass by apples? I want to 1v1 you and see how good you would do against me. He freaks out. Jacob freaks out whenever he hears gunfire. Well, is that the only weapon you got?
What?
The gun? That's a big black spike. Just watch my just watch my video and see what I mean. You can see my lag on my video.
No, you can help if you stop.
Okay.
You have to use tabs.
I will. I'm just doing this. Yep. Okay. And this is my outro. Dun, 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 dun.